Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this travel adapter. I really like this a lot. I'm going to tell you all the different countries it works in, whether it could work with a hair dryer, all that stuff. Most importantly, one thing that I do appreciate about this is the company was built by people who travel, and they basically build products that are great for traveling. I have some other stuff, but let's just get into this right over here. You could go do 100+ countries with this. You'll see right over here, it works really easily right over here, which I also like about it. So we have the UK right over here. All you got to do is slide it out and you're good to go. It locks in really nicely just like that. So you don't have to worry about it not being sturdy. I've definitely gotten my fair share of travel adapters that when you like kind of put it in the wall, it kind of doesn't stay. I haven't had that issue with this one right over here. And then to get this in, you're just gonna push down like that. Same for the US right over here, and then same for EU, just pops out like this. This is the front right over here, so this is exactly what that looks like. This is compatible with hair dryers if they are less than 10 amps. So just know that if you're kind of thinking about doing that. In terms of countries, so you get 100+ countries right over here. You can see right over here, you got UK, Ireland, Hong Kong. You do most of Europe. You got the type C, E, and F. You could do US, Japan, Mexico. They have the type A and B. And then, of course, over here, we got China, New Zealand, Australia. And the coolest part about this is you have the USB A's that you could use as well over here. So you get two USB A's and or two USB C's and a USB. So you could charge up to 5 devices in here. So you get one in here, one in here, one in there, and then you do have the plugs that you could plug into and get even more charging. I have found that the charging using this block is super fast, which I was kind of surprised. I honestly thought when I did get this, I was like, I don't know, if you're charging multiple devices at the same time, it's probably not going to be that fast. Wasn't the case with this at all. Really like this. This is super compact, easy to travel with, which I personally like. I literally just throw this in my backpack and I'm good to go. I don't have to worry about anything. I don't know, for me, all the different countries that I'm going to, this works for 100+. I know there are some other travel adapters out there that could go like all the countries or something like that, but for me, I don't need that. And I do like the fact how compact this is. And I do really appreciate that they did um extra chargers in here for the USB-C and USB, because you always have devices that need to charge and you don't have to waste your charging block in here. You could literally plug in whatever you need in here and then be using these. Oh, it's like a Rubik's Cube for all your other devices. So if you're looking for a great, easy to use travel adapter that's super compact, can work in over 100 different countries, can charge multiple devices at the same time. Definitely check this out. And this is a really cool company by people who actually travel and they make products to make travelers' lives easier. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and happy travels.